Mark Andy, we realized that we needed to be laser focused on your bottom line. The result of that focus is in front of you today, the Mark Andy Performance Series. Since its inception in 2009, the Performance Series has yielded unparalleled results for our converters. It has demonstrated a 60% reduction in changeover times, a 50% reduction in material waste, and has proven to be a 2-for-1 replacement over traditional press models. We've won the Innovation Award for Design twice with this machine, and we've sold more than 180 of them worldwide in just 3 years. But we're not stopping there. We understand that continuous improvement is necessary for you to succeed. With that in mind, we focused all of our energy on the biggest remaining bottleneck in the converting process, the die cutter. And we're excited today to introduce you to the new rock star of die cutting, the QCDC. Also today, we're going to be highlighting the latest in the evolution of curing and drying Mark Andy ProLED. ProLED has the ability to change our industry much like UV curing did 15 years ago when it was introduced. Darren's going to go ahead and totally change out this job. We're going to start by changing out our die to showcase the new rock star of die cutting, the QCDC. You see that the open guarding affords Darren the option of either changing out the flexible die in the machine through the guarding or completely removing the die utilizing our carton cartridge technology. To show the full functionality of this station today, Darren completely removed the die using our carton cartridge. You saw that as he rolled the cart into position, a pneumatic table lifted it into its removal location where he could simply roll the cartridge out on the table, change the flexible die, and simply roll it back into the machine. From there, the automated hydraulic tractors bring the die into its cutting position and automatically set die cutting pressure. And even faster than I was able to describe it, Darren has already changed out a die. Imagine what that can do for your productivity and, in turn, your profitability. You may have noticed that as he had the guarding open, our die cutter is run in a horizontal orientation. There are several benefits to doing die cutting horizontally, one of which you just saw, and that Darren was able to change out that complete station in about 30 seconds and manipulate the entire station at an ergonomically friendly 38 inches, all the while without utilizing a hoist. We're also able to more accurately dial in our die cutting pressure because you don't have gravity operating in the same direction as your die cutting force any longer. One other added benefit to utilizing the carton cartridge technology is that we're not going to obsolete your existing tooling. The beauty of the cartridge is that it is easily adaptable to many of the dies that you're already running today. As Darren dials in our print for this job, I want to highlight the other technology that we're introducing today, Mark Andy ProLED. We've talked about the evolution of the Performance Series and how we're maximizing productivity with the print station and the die cutting station. We're also making great strides daily in curing and drying to remove that bottleneck as well. UVLED curing is the future of our industry, and we're happy to say that today we can deliver on that future with Mark Andy ProLED. It has instant on-off capability with no moving parts, a very high operating efficiency, and very low operating temperatures, all in a hardware package with a nearly infinite bulb life. For the environmentally conscious companies out there, Mark Andy ProLED eliminates mercury and ozone vapors. So it's really a win-win all the way around, and it can immediately affect your bottom line. Today we've shown you the latest in die cutting technology with the rockstar of die cutting, QCDC. We've shown you Mark Andy ProLED and how that can affect your profitability. We've shown you that those two technologies working in concert with the best label printing solution on the market today proves why the Performance Series continues to rewrite the rules and the boundaries for profitability and performance. Your goal as a company is profitability, and we at Mark Andy are working very hard to help you exceed that goal.